LinkedIn groups are gold mines for finding premium leads, but manually copying member profiles one by one wastes hours. This Make.com blueprint automates the entire extraction process. Let me walk you through exactly how it works. The workflow starts with a delay module to prevent rate limiting. Then we hit the Set Variables module where you configure 3 key parameters. Your group ID the count set to 50 members per request and start position at 0. Next comes the Repeater module, configured for 20 iterations to handle pagination for large groups. Now the HTTP request module calls ConnectSafely's API with your group ID and pagination parameters. The response flows into an Iterator module that splits the members' array. This loops through each individual profile. Here's where it gets smart. The Set Variables module has a built-in filter that only processes members whereas premium equals true. It extracts 9 fields per member: profile ID, first name, last name, full name, headline, profile URL, follower count, premium status, and verification status. Finally, the Google Sheets Add Row module appends each premium member as a new row, mapping all 9 variables to your spreadsheet columns. The repeater keeps looping until all pages are fetched, giving you a complete list of every premium member in the group. Download the blueprint, add your API credentials, update the group ID in Module 3, and run. You'll have premium members flowing into your spreadsheet automatically. Link in the description. Let's automate your prospecting.